channel. Today I will tell you how can you make 10 text effects in Canva. So without wasting our time, let's go. This is the interface of the Canva. Now a template just like this will open here. As you can see at the right side of the canvas, here is the text option. Just click on it. Now we will find add a heading. There is the effects, and these are the 10 effects I am going to use and show you how you can make your designs more attractive using these effects. So let's go. First of all, I am going to adding a background. I am using a lighting background here, just like this one. So move to your text. Now I am going to add a heading here. Add a heading. Now I am going to add effect here, the background effect. After that I will change its color, its thickness, and I will show how it looks like. As you can see, we can set its roundness, we can spread it according to our need, we can make it transparent also, we can also change its color. You can make your text bold, you can do it italic, also you can change its font style, whatever you want to do. You can make the background effect transparent as much as you want to do. Wow, it is looking so beautiful. You can use it anywhere you want. Add a new page and start the next effect, which is neon effect. Now I am going to adding a other background for the other text effect. Oh, it's pro. Let's use another one. This is nice. Now again go to the text, add a heading, use effect neon. Now you can edit it as your choice. You can choose its color, you can make it enlarge and take it to the middle. Let's select a color according to our need. We can make it offset, we can change its font also. It's looking really nice. Let's move to the third effect, which is glitch. First of all, I am going to choose the background here. I like this background, it is really nice. We can add it. Now choose the effect glitch. First of all, add a heading. After that, write glitch on it. Now make it effective with this effect. Enlarge it according to your need and set it in the middle. After that, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can choose its color according to your need. If you want to change its offset, you can do it. You can also make it red and blue, pink and blue, as your choice. Now I am going to change its color. I am going to add this dark brown color, and after that I am going to change its font. Wow, it's looking really nice. You can use it in your thumbnails, etc. For the fourth text effect, I am going to using this background, add a subheading. Now I am going to write echo on it, as our next effect is echo. Oh, a shape is added, just delete it away and write echo by using a heading. Here is it, enlarge it and take it to the middle. Now you can bold, italic, change its offset, change its direction. You can also change its color, every color you want, and make it look more attractive and beautiful. You can use this effect in your music thumbnails and etc. Change its color to brown, and you can also change its transparency as you want. Whatever color you are looking for, choose it. It will look really nice. Now my effect is ready and it is looking really nice. Now for the fourth text effect, I am going to using this background. This is such a pretty background. I would like to make it a little transparent. Now I am going to add a heading. Write splice on it, as our next effect is splice. You can enlarge it and take it to the middle. That particular background is not looking good with this effect, so I am going to shift it to a plain one. Now we can see it properly. Bold, italic, change its color. I am going to use this lime and yellow color. The combination of yellow and pink color is pretty good and it is looking really nice. You can use it in your thumbnails and any poster you want. For the fifth text effect, I am going to using this background. As you can see, this is a pretty good background, but it is a little bold, so I would like to make it a little transparent. Now I am going to add a heading. Now our next effect is hollow. Use it. I will like to make it bold, italic, and also I will change its font. This is not the appropriate font. Change its color. I like to do it a little purple or blue because according to the background it will look nice. So make it a little transparent. Now this font is really nice. I am going to use it. This font style is looking really good. This is the Archie font. You can use it. I can also take it according to my need, but 50-50 is a little pretty. Now this is looking really nice. Oh wait, that background doesn't suit it, so I want to change its background. Also I can change its color. Whatever I want to do, I can do it easily. Wow, this is looking pretty good now. Our next effect is lift. So I am going to write lift here. You can enlarge it and take it to the middle. You can also set its intensity according to your need. I would like to make it bold, italic. I can also change its color. According to the background, I would like to change its color to the pink. It's looking really nice. Let's make our last text effect, which is shadow. For this I am going to using this lovely background. Oh, it's pro. Choose another one because it doesn't suit us. We can also change its color. So add a heading here, but it's looking nice. I am going to using this shadow. You can set its offset, you can set its direction as per you want. You can make it blur, you can make it transparent, you can change its color, you can do everything you want. That's why I love this website, because it is totally free and mind-blowing. Lovely. Now I can change its color also. I would like to make it a little blue somehow according to my background. So I did it pink, but as I told you that this doesn't suit it. So wow, what a lovely background I found. I would like to make it a little transparent. Now I would like to change my text color into pink, and wow, it is looking superb, lovely. You can use it in posters, invitation cards, etc. Alright guys, now I would love to make my every effect a little animated. As you can see, I am doing the animations just randomly. I am going to picking any animation and I would apply it onto my text, starting from the number 1. So background, after that neon, after that glitch, and after that echo, splice. Now in the last it is hollow. After that I would like to do lift and then shadow. It's really nice. Now alright friends, so all of the text effects are done here. Now I am going to add shapes. So for the shape number 1, I would like to add a new background here. This is such a pretty background. Now write shape 1 here. From the effect option, I would set the shape 1. This is a simple shape, straight. I would like to enlarge it, bold, italic, change its color. I can also change its font. Shape 1 is looking really nice. It is simple but attractive. Now For the shape number 2, which is a little rounder, I would like to add a new background. So here I am choosing this background. This is pro, but don't worry, I will add another background. So this is the gradient color, so I like it, but this is not cool. So I would like to add a little orangish background. So this is little cool. I would change its color also. I will change it to orange. Now I will show you how I will set the shape number 2. For this you will need to add a heading. Now add the effect of shape number 2. I would like to write my name, my channel name, Miss Tips here. I would like to change its font. I would like to bold it, italic it. I can change its color. So I would like to change it to the orange or maybe white according to my color combinations. So here you can see orange looks much better. Enlarge it, take it to the middle and effect it, the rounder effect. So also I can animate it. Now I would like to upload my image here, my logo here. So go to the uploads and select the images. Here I can choose a frame. First of all, from the elements I will choose a frame, a rounder frame. Now go to the uploads and select the image. First of all, I would like to set my image. I will crop the unnecessary part just like this, and from the upward, from the downward and from the left side. So it's good. Now set it into the frame, enlarge it and take it to the exact middle. Wow, it is looking really cool. You can use it anywhere you want, on your Facebook, on your Instagram and on your YouTube as well. Animate it and just have a look on the whole video. Alright friends, as you can see, I am going to use it for my logo. I will use it on my Instagram profile. I can also use it on my Facebook. I can post it on my Facebook as well, as it is looking really nice. So you can also make your own without any compulsion, without any paid or etc. This is so lovely and you can use it totally free hand. Now I would like to animate it. You can set on enter, on exit, both etc. Comment me guys, which is your favorite text effect and which template do you like the very most. I would waiting for your comments. Like my video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on the Instagram and the Facebook. The links are in the description box below. If you want to learn the most amazing tips and tricks on the very interesting topics, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and the Facebook. As I have told you before, the links are in the description box below. If you like shape number 1 or shape number 2, if you like any of the effect or you want me to show you more designs like this, follow me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.